Hello, my name is Shruti Singh and I'm from the XIMB MBA BM batch of 23-25. I did my summer internship at Emami Limited where I was a sales intern, and my mentor for the ex-ALMA program was Mr. Prateek Pant, who was General Manager Marketing. So the fact that my mentor was from the marketing division of Emami itself and he was just working one floor above me, so we had a good connection and I could go to him anytime I wanted, and that helped me out a lot throughout my internship. So from day one of the program starting till the very end, for my final presentations, he was there throughout. And the fact that I was in the sales division and he was in the marketing division, I got insights into the entire sales world as well and the marketing. So even though my project was very sales related, I had insights from the marketing team as well. So that I feel like really helped me learn a lot. I realized that sales is important for marketing. So it made me very clear with my goals that I really want to go ahead with marketing. And that is where this program really came into the picture, because I had guidance from someone who is like a guru for marketing. He's looked at like as a guru even at Emami. So any marketing related, any query, any doubt, even for my presentation as well. So my final presentation that I had to present to the national sales head at Emami, I had guidance from the marketing manager at Emami. So his inputs and his ideas were really helpful. And I think that it really paid off as well. So yeah, I guess this program and the fact that I was connected with someone who was not just from sales but had a marketing experience as well, it really helped me clear my mind what I really wanted to go ahead with. And we're still in touch, and the final placements that are going to happen now, I feel like I have someone who can guide me through it as well. Be it a sales role or marketing role, I know that he will be there and he's always available to me. So my advice to the junior batch would be that make the most out of this program. You're here for networking, you're here for making connections, and there is no better opportunity than this initiative that Alcom has. So it doesn't end here. These connections are made for life, and you never know who might help you when, where, how. I got really lucky with the mentor that I was allotted, and I know that this will stay and this will help me ahead as well. Also, you have to take the initiative of making the most out of this. So the mentors that you have, they are busy, they have their own schedules. You have to be behind them, and you have to get your answers out of them, your guidance out of them. So don't hesitate in reaching out once, twice. Alcom will help you with that as well. So just be sure that you ask all the questions you have. Make the most out of this program. This will really help you.